Hi friends, let me show you these new BOROHOUSE storage glass containers, food containers that I received for reviewing purposes. You get 12 containers. 4 of them are square containers, 4 of them are rectangle, and 4 of them are circular ones. So let me show you. Also, of course, you get the lids. Okay, I got these nice pink color lid ones. Okay, they are really nicely packed. Okay, every lid has its own packing. They come with all this protecting material. So here you have them, 4 rectangle containers, 4 circle ones, and 4 square ones. Different sizes for each shape, from big to small, and the matching lids with a beautiful pink color, easy to snap on. They have this opening if you want the food to get cold or whatever, and these containers can be used in the oven, in the microwave, in the washing machine, dishwasher, and in the freezer. So you are able to use them for all your kitchen and food needs, and I think they are really nice, they are really strong, and the lids are easy to use. So if you need new containers, glass containers for your kitchen, these are a great option for you. Thank you.